How to use Google Maps. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Google Maps. First thing, as you can see, this is the home page. Now right here you can see the map, and if you want to zoom, all what you have to do is just click here and you will start zooming and moving by your mouse like this. Zoom, zoom, zoom. And if you want to zoom out, click again here, zoom out, zoom out. And if you want to search for a place, go here in this search bar and search for it like this. For example, California. And after you click on it, right here, you will find the California city. Now choose the place that you want in California. For example, I'm gonna choose Redding. Click on it, and right here, after you click on it, you will be able to save it if you want from here. Choose where you want to save it. I'm gonna choose favorites. And here, as you can see, we'll find many options and informations about this place, from the hotels and the photos. And if you want to see your favorites places that you have saved, go to the top here, click on the menu and click on your places, and you will find it here. And yeah, very easy and fast. Also, let's go back again here, click on menu, and right here in this menu you will be able to manage a lot of settings. You can also change the language from here if you want. And yeah, very easy and fast to use. And if you want to change the theme to satellite, go down here and click on this little option. Now as you can see, the theme is changed. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end.